All right, we are at the Hobbytown USA in Mansfield, Ohio, and I have got the AX24. We are ready to unbox this thing and give it a run on the microcourse. They've added a little gas station up there for us. There's all of your wheelbases and clearances. This is just another SCX24 remake, but this one's got four-wheel steering. Look, a nice set of sealed bearings there. Got longer coilover shocks than the previous 24 platform. And of course I got the orange one. But let me get this thing out of the box and we'll have a look at the contents. Well, here it is all unboxed. We got the normal battery, but look at this. We got an SLT3 radio this time. And the battery compartment's in a different place than normal SCX24. They scooted it in there and this flap fits down over it, and that's how she anchors. The body can either be velcroed on, and it also has a velcroed hinge on the back. So I think what we really need to do is just get a battery in this thing and drive it. How's it going, Ross? Still don't know why they did the servo saver in the thing, because when you're going to drag the rear end around, that servo saver allows that rear end just to get pulled whatever way.
Well, there's quick fixes to that.
Yes, there are, and I will be doing them. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our first run, and it did really good. My only complaints are, as usual with these little SCX24s, is the servos. I do not understand why they put servo savers in them. See how you can just grab it, flip it any which way. So the problem is, when you're driving with the front, even if you don't have it on four-wheel steering, it's able to drag your rear end around, and it makes it a little bit hard to steer. So it needs to either have the servo saver glued in the back or a stronger servo put on, which I already have some stuff sitting at home because I've been anticipating this release. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this first run. I think it's a pretty capable little thing, and with a little bit of work, I think it'll be actually a really amazing crawling model.